body. Visualize yourself as if you are sitting on a branch of a tree and your body is lying like a dead body and you are out of body. This is an out of body experience. This is an astral surgery whereby you will be healing each organ of yourself. These are self-healing techniques. So you will be doing surgery of your body yourself and you will heal yourself like Chanda Buaji healed herself through this meditation. She came out of deathbed. She had gone into death, future death progression, and she came out of it. So you will come out of this Ryle's tube. Your infection of pneumonia lungs would be cleared thoroughly. So inhale, take 3 deep breaths in. Take 3 deep breaths in. Visualize yourself and take 3 deep breaths in. Your inhale, 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 and hold. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold and visualize. Visualize the oxygen taken in and visualize each bronchiole and visualize the virus, if there is COVID, corona, which is just the ribonucleic acid virus, which has slowly entered the DNA of the alveolus and it is corrupting your DNA. So you are going to throw away that virus thoroughly. You're going to throw away any infection, anything in lungs, any infection, and each of your bronchiole, each of your cell would be healed. It will come to normal shape. It will come from elliptical to normal oval shape. So as I say, you have to throw away that RNA of COVID, any pneumonia, any cancerous cell, you have to throw away. Exhale. Exhale thoroughly. Exhale. 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 Throw away that virus, disease. Root cause of disease is fear of disease, and unless and until you throw away that fear, disease from your mind, body, and soul, disease will not go away. Disease will not go away. So just relax and cleanse your lungs thoroughly. Cleanse your lungs thoroughly and visualize the oxygen supply to both your lungs. Each cell is rejuvenated, revitalized. Each cell is rejuvenated and revitalized. Each cell of lung, each alveoli are rejuvenated. All the fibrosis is gone away. Fibrosis is gone away. And there is free flow of oxygen. The lungs are thoroughly immersed in that oxygen, pure. And your rib cage is expanded. And your lungs are bloated to full extent. And you can inhale and exhale all the grievances, exhale all the guilt, shame, fear. Exhale all the guilt, shame, fear. And inhale all the pure energy, positive. And you can heal yourself. You can heal yourself. Heal yourself.
ये करिए आप अपने आप को ठीक करिए कि राइस ट्यूब निकल गई, मैं पूरा ठीक हूँ, मेरे हाथ पांव सब चल रहे हैं, बस फील करते रहिए, फीलिंग करते रहिए अपने आप को कि मैं चल पा रहा हूँ, अपने काम स्वयं कर पा रहा हूँ, मैं अपने सारे काम स्वतः ही कर रहा हूँ, स्वतः स्मूथली हो रहे हैं। आपको हीलिंग का भी सब देते रहिए खाना।
बस आप अब मनीषा जी का ले लीजिए श्लोक।
ओके दीदी, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मंजू जी।
बहुत बहुत आभार।
मनीषा दीदी, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज।
खोलियो।
बोलो अपन जी।
हाँ जी, जय जिनेंद्र।
जयेंद्र आजा, हो गया प्रैक्टिस हो गया।
वेरी गुड, अब आप सुनाइए।
ओके। नमन्तानं नमो सीतानं नमो आयानं नमो हुत्तरानं नमो